Hello and welcome to today's tutorial by Quick Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can update your computer. You do a Windows update for your computer. And before we get into the video, I would really appreciate it if you would leave a like, leave a comment, and maybe subscribe to the channel if this video was any help to you. So basically what you want to do is to open up your settings. Your settings you can find in the search bar by just typing in settings, and open it with a left click. So basically what you want to do is you want to click on update and security down here, and you want to look onto the first tab here. It's already opened. You want to go on check for updates. As you'll see, I also have to do an update, I guess. Oh no, I don't have to. But if you have an update pending, it will show it right here. You can click download then. I can't do the update because my Windows is on the latest version. But if you have to do a Windows update, you can click install here, and after everything is installed you can go restart now. Or if you just go down to your Windows button on the bottom left corner of your PC, you can also go to power, and instead of shutdown or instead of only 3 options here, there will be 5 options. One of those options will be restart and update, and another additional option will also be, besides the 3 that we already see here, will be shutdown and update. And yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope that you liked the video, that it was any help to you, and if it was, as I already said, I would really appreciate some support for the channel. And yeah, have a great day. I love you guys. Bye.